Firefighters, police and residents battled flames through the day on hillsides around the Chilean port city of Valparaiso. 150 families were evacuated as a forest fire destroyed at least 60 homes. Many left, clinging to whatever they could salvage. And others watched helplessly from a safe distance as the blaze sent huge columns of smoke up into the sky. The wind and the steep, rugged terrain pose another challenge for firefighters as aircrafts drop water over the fires. Chile's National Office of Emergencies reported around 60 hectares of land has been devastated. This is the second fire in as many months to rip through Valparaiso, 100 kilometers northwest of the capital Santiago. The cause of the latest blaze is not known. Laura Plitt, BBC News.